Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, we have a Diwali inspired look. So if you want to see how to create this, please keep watching. So I've applied some concealer to my eye, and that is going to be our base for the eyeshadow instead of a primer. And I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette that I used in my previous video. Since it has quite a few of the pinks and the oranges, we're going to work with those colors with a sponge and translucent powder, and I'm just going to pat that on the underneath of my eye. So if you want to do your eyeshadow before your base makeup, that's totally fine. Then you can skip the step of baking. But again, it's just to catch the fallout from the eyeshadow. Don't worry about the powder being too white underneath your eye if you are baking, because we are going to go ahead and just dust everything away and it's not going to look as crazy as it does now. Going to go ahead and apply this light shade here to my crease just to get everything started. If you haven't watched my previous eyeshadow video, I'll link it down in the description. But again, I have my mirror down and I'm looking into the mirror so I can see the entire surface area of my eyelid. So we're going to try and keep this eyeshadow look as simple as possible. So I'm going in with that transition shade, which is kind of like a peach pinky shade, and we're just going to apply it in our crease. So remember I said our crease is the socket or the dip that we have in our eye. So we just want to push the color and I'm dragging it outwards. Since you are using a blending brush, it is going to be neat, so you don't need to worry about that. So I'm just building up the color little by little and actually trying to build the color up right in that crease. So I'm going and pushing my brush deep in there and doing a windshield wiper motion, making sure that whatever you do on one eye, you're doing to the other eye. So my parents are still Tamil, so they celebrate Diwali. I'm a Christian and I don't, but we still do make food and bake stuff so we can give to the neighbors. And we've always kind of celebrated it as when we were kids. We celebrate everything from like Easter, Diwali to Christmas. So it wasn't really like a religious kind of thing, even though I know it is a religious holiday or festival, but we never really like saw it as that. We just kind of baked and lit fireworks and all of that. So as you can see, I've just built up, not doing anything crazy. I'm basically just building up. I'm adding and adding and blending, and that's just going to give us a nice transition shade to add on the other colors. And I'm working with pinks and oranges just to match the lehenga that I'm wearing today. Lehenga that my aunt got from India, being a bandeau top from Mr. Price, like in a baby pink, so it matches. And earrings that I got like from a flea market kind of vibe. It's super cute and it was pretty affordable. So I'm unsure about whether to go for more of a pinky or like a red pinky. This is more of a purple kind of tone. But since we're trying to match the eyeshadow to the lehenga, I'm just going to go in with this kind of pinky shade here and pack it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just do eyeliner. And then we're going to repeat the same steps on our bottom lash line. So the lighting is not the best today because it is very cloudy and it's been raining this whole week. And it's very typical of kind of like a Diwali. Rainy, and if it's not rainy, it's like super hot. Diwali is not today, it's on the weekend. But I just wanted to get this tutorial up for you guys, and it can be a really like fun and colorful look that you can do. To go in with my Essence 2-in-1 liner pen, and you can go ahead and do this with any kind of sparkly or shimmery eyeshadow. And since we did a matte eyeshadow, we're going to just add a pop of shimmer in the inner corner. Blending brush and just blend the outer edges right above by my eyebrow, just so we know that everything's blended out properly before moving on. And that's it. Next, I'm going in with a liner and just going to do a simple winged eyeliner. And now the task of getting your eyeliners to match, which is so I've just dusted the baking powder from underneath my eye with a normal powder brush. Then I went in with my L'Oreal Paris fixing mist, because sometimes after baking your skin can be a bit dry, so I just wanted to add it some more moisture, and I just spritz it all over my face. Next, we're going to go ahead and apply our eyeshadow to our bottom lash line. So I'm just going in with my Essence black eyeliner, and I'm going to add it to my inner waterline. Just kind of smudge that black eyeliner on your bottom lash line, but towards the end of your eye. Curl my lashes, add mascara and false lashes, and I'll be back. I'm just going to line my lip with a brown lip liner. And mine is just the lip liners that you get everywhere, but a great alternative is the LA Girl lip liner in chocolate. Just stop. Go in with the Essence lipstick, and this is in 05 Cool Nude. And just add it to my lip. Lipstick was a bit too pale for this look. The Revlon lip liner in the shade Chocolate. I wanted to be a bit nude, like I said, so I'm going in with the LA Girl Lipify in the shade Lingerie, and just adding it to the center of my lip, and then blending it out with my finger. Complete look. I just added a gold bindi and 3 dots on my chin, because I've kind of seen it as, that was like my inspiration. It's something that like South Indian brides do, and it's kind of like symbolizes or keeps away the evil eye. But I like how it kind of just like completes. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Bye.